Guys, we've all seen AI write essays, we've seen it paint portraits, we've seen it edit pictures, and even compose music. But can it actually draft a sewing pattern for you? I asked ChatGPT to try, and the results were surprisingly technical and surprisingly wrong. So, can AI actually replace a pattern maker, or is this just another fantasy? Well, today we'll be diving deep into the future of pattern making. We'll explore what AI can already do, what it can't do yet, and how you, as a designer or a pattern maker, can stay ahead of the curve instead of getting left behind. Because the truth is, AI is learning the logic of pattern making faster than most people realize. Pattern making has always been mathematical, almost architectural, but also deeply human. It's all about arithmetics and geometry meeting the body form. Now, tools like ChatGPT, computer-aided design integrated AI, and digital design software are learning the rules behind that ease, grading, and proportion. Let's look at things AI can already do. Number one, it can generate pattern drafting instructions from provided measurements. It can suggest fit adjustments from the data you feed into it. Number three, it can help simulate drape and how your fabric will move in 3D to help you visualize before committing to using the fabric. So yes, AI can assist in drafting patterns, but assist underlined right here is what it can actually really do. Now let's test this. I asked ChatGPT, can you write the steps to draft a basic bodice block for a size 10? And this is what it gave me. Standard body measurements for a size 10 figure. Step-by-step drafting logic. Formula for bust points, necklines, and sleeve cap heights. And even reminders about balance points and lines. Not bad, right? But when I asked for visuals, this is what it generated. And when I went further to ask for an actual printable version, this is what it generated. ChatGPT isn't a computer-aided design system, so it's not a CAD system. It can't generate accurate printable blocks or pattern shapes for you, but it can act like a studio assistant, the one that always reminds you and always remembers the maths and reminds you when you're missing something. It helps you think through design and drafting logic faster, but it's not replacement for your skill, but an extension of your process. Honestly, guys, AI doesn't see the human body. It doesn't feel how fabric moves. It doesn't sense posture or the slope of a shoulder or even the curves of the body. Feeling, seeing, and analyzing those little details is where you come in with your human intuition, touch, and observation. So, guys, AI can generate instructions for you, but it cannot deliver the perfect fit you want. So, the pattern maker of tomorrow won't just draft, they'll think like a creative technician, merging logic with artistry. Imagine this, you describe your design concept to ChatGPT, feeding the kind of fabric you want to use. You describe the fit and the silhouette you want, and then it generates drafting instructions for you instantly. But you still need to take over, adding your eye, your calibration, and your intuition to see what works and what won't work. So AI cannot replace you, not just yet. You just have to evolve with it. Now, for you to thrive in this new era, you have to start with the fundamentals. Because before any AI or CAD system can help you, you need to understand the core logic of measurements, balance, data, and pattern construction. Without that foundation, AI is just noise. But with it, it becomes a form of superpower. If you're ready to build that foundation, I've created these resources to help you start. First, download my free one-page pattern drafting essentials checklist. It's everything you need before drafting your first block. Then when you are ready, maybe you are ready to go deeper than that, you can join my private introductory pattern drafting course, where I'll teach you how to draft the 4 essential blocks step by step so you can achieve a perfect fit after sewing. So whether or not AI transforms our tools, your understanding of shape, proportion, and balance will always be your greatest skill. The future of pattern making isn't human or AI. It's human plus AI, which helps amplify creative intelligence. This means the future of pattern making starts with you. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you found it helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.